Dr. Bijoykumar Das is a renowned space scientist, technocrat, and a research innovation leader from Jagannath Puri, Orissa, India. He was in the United States for nearly 5 decades. Dr. Das is also a scholar of Indian scriptures and is renowned for his spiritual discourses on Shrimad Bhagwat Geeta.
I'll show you the Bhagwat Geeta. Can I get this bag? What Bhagwat Geeta we are making? This bag, this yellow bag. And what America has done, what we should do. America has done for the Bible. Millions and millions of dollars they have spent in making this Museum of Bible in Washington, D.C. Just go to internet and see how beautiful it is. Bible. Should we not do for our Bhagavad Gita? So this is called the virtual tour of Bhagavad Gita, Bible. And now we are making virtual tour, but advanced tour of Bhagavad Gita. Let me tell you the technology what we use. It will take time, so I'll show it very quickly. This is Bhagavad Gita. This is Bhagavad Gita. In the whole pictorial form, Bhagavad Gita. All slokas and its meaning in 2-3 languages. Then what we did is, I made this Bhagavad Gita. This is the good thing, this is here, the letter from Prime Minister of India, from P.K. Misra. So, this Bhagavad Gita will be very famous from our, and this is all his creation. He threw me, he dumped, go, see how Vishwashanti will be taken place. What is the source? How will we do it? How it will go to the whole world? Vishwa, Vishwa, Vishwa. His name is Vishwa. And this, what we did first, that you just take a pen, this is coming out. What language do you want? Oh.
किंतु हे अर्जुन, इसे विस्तार से जानने से तुम्हारा क्या उद्देश्य है? हे परंतप,
Different sloka I am just touching. I am from Odisha. I speak Odia language. Can you speak in Odia or Marathi? I am going to Marathi first.
मराठी.
Same thing I want to read in Marathi.
परंतु हे अर्जुन, हे सगळे विस्ताराने जाणून घेण्यामागे तुझा काय उद्देश आहे? तू फक्त हे जाणून घे की या संपूर्ण संसाराला आपल्या फक्त एका अंशाने बनवून मी सर्वांमध्येच
Odia.
ओढिया. किंतु हे अर्जुन, ଏହାକୁ ବିସ୍ତାର ଭାବେ ଜାଣିବାରେ ତୁମର ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟ କଣ? ବେଶ, ଏତିକି ଜାଣିନିଅ, ମୁଁ ଏହି ସମଗ୍ର ସଂସାରକୁ ନିଜର ମାତ୍ର French.
Mais oh Arjuna, quel est le but de connaître tout cela en détail? Sachez simplement que j'existe en soutenant tout cet univers avec juste une fraction de moi.
Spanish.
Spanish. Oh, Parantapa, mis glorias divinas no tienen fin. Esto es apenas una breve descripción
Telugu.
de mis glorias hecha por mí.
Telugu.
ఐశ్వర్యవంతము, కాంతియుక్తము లేదా శక్తివంతమైనది ఏదైనా ఉంటే అది నా తేజము నుండి పుట్టినదని
You
నీవు
don't have to read.
తెలుసుకో.
You don't have to do anything. Now Tamil, Kannada,
ಕನ್ನಡ.
any other.
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಸಾವಿರ ಯುಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸಾವಿರ ಯುಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಮವಾದುದು. ಇವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ಯೋಗಿಯು ಕಾಲವನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥೈಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವನು.
This big book is converted into this paper, so that you touch any place, it we are giving surround sound, 7.1 channel, 360-degree audio, high resolution and video. This is only audio, video we are giving. So you don't have to go and read Bhagavad Gita, it will tell you Bhagavad Gita what it is. Now I'll give you last. Not only different languages, but you ask a question. You ask a question. What solution has he given for COVID? It will go to that sloka and tell you God has given this answer. How many questions Arjuna asked in Bhagavad Gita? It will tell you. Just like Google Assistant, just like Alexa, it will give you those answers. If you ask which chapter, which slok has this word, it will go to that chapter and tell you this. Not only that, does it give any solution for what type of education we should have? It will go to that place and tell this sort of education. Bhagwan is telling Arjuna, Dhyana, how can we go for Ashtanga Yoga? It will tell you Ashtanga Yoga. In summary of first chapter, second chapter, third chapter, it will tell you the summary of this. What are the signs in this sloka and technology in this sloka? Where are nuclear science used? Where is solar energy is used? It will give you the answer. So, science and technology is taking a yoga shastra and bringing it to the whole world so that people will not read, people will not understand the script from the childhood. They will know what I should be to have my peace, prosperity and happiness. My life, I will become Amar. I will not die. That is the teaching of Bhagavad Gita. We should not die. We should remember him prayana kale manasa chalena. Bhagwan is teaching Arjun, hey Arjun, मुझे हमेशा याद कर, तो उस समय भी मुझे याद कर पाओगे. तुम दूसरे चीज़ सोचते रहोगे तो उस समय क्या याद आएगा तुम्हें? बहुत सारी चीज़ें भगवद गीता में हैं, योग शास्त्र में हैं. उसको बोलने के लिए तो कई घंटे कई दिन ऐसे बीत जाएंगे और जब भी मैं बोलता हूँ तो मैं अपने आप को रोक नहीं पाता हूँ, रोम ऊपर हो जाता है. इतना नॉलेज, इतना करुणा सागर. और उसके और अच्छा किए हैं ज्ञानदेव जी. मैं जब ज्ञानेश्वरी लिखने लगा, साइंस ऑफ ज्ञानेश्वरी, मैं तो सहन नहीं कर पाया. क्या सिंपल लैंग्वेज में साइंस को बताए हैं ज्ञानेश्वर. Nowhere. To the common man, he is giving the highest science. ओई के तरफ, ओई के जरिए से तो ज्ञानेश्वरी बन रहा है और ये बन रहा है. They are all yoga shastra. Thank you, my dear friends. You have given me a lot of time. Thank you. Thank you.